stop moving. You're really about to get some crooked parts.
Why? Why are you parting it now?
What? What do you want? What do you want me to do?
I just told you we need to record the intro first, and you said let me try this first.
Okay, because I'm trying to get an idea at least. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Okay, go ahead.
No, go ahead. It's already recording.
It's
never really and truly done a hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is going to be Bantu knots that I have not done since I graduated high school. So I have not done this in about 3 or 4 years. This was Cassie's idea. Say hi, Cassie.
I regret it. Because I don't know what I'm doing either. So.
Cassie is going to be parting my hair for me because I can't see the clean ones I want. These Bantu knots, I'm actually doing them to wear it in a style, not just to wear it out in a sense. So I want to make sure I have clean parts, and that's what her job's gonna be. And then I'm actually gonna do the Bantu knots myself. As far as my hair, we're doing it on clean stretch hair. I washed my hair a couple days ago, and I've just been wearing it in these braids to keep it detangled, but there is no product in it.
Now, I'm not sure yet if this is really allowed in the natural community yet, but it's what I do all the time, and so I'm not advising you guys to do it. This is what I do.
Well, guys, in the beginning, we honestly did not know what we were doing. All Cassia knew was that she wanted a diamond in the middle of my head, and so that's what she started with. So we're just going to show you guys the journey of how this actually came to be. Okay, so we're about to show you the very first part, like where we're starting from. So, well, you can explain because you can read. And what you guys do after.
So this is the diamond in the middle. No, I'm trying to get them.
As you can see, I'm also very tender-headed, so please bear with me in my faces. So we finally finished parting for the most part. We have to go somewhere. So I'm just putting it in mock Bantu knots so we can just see the shape. So clearly we thought we had it all together, but we had to go back and literally fix all of the parts the next day because they were just completely off. Also, please try to actually use a tail comb, preferably a metal one when parting. This is why we were struggling so much. We didn't have one, and so we had to use a pick instead. Today's hair products will be SheaMoisture's Sugarcane Extract and Marshmallow Root Leave-In Treatment, Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Hair Butter, and the Styling Gel, some of my favorites. Of course, you can use any oil of your choice. This is the one that I'll be using. And finally, I'll be using the Shine and Jam for hold on my roots and my tips. So as you guys can see here, I'm just finger detangling my hair, mainly focusing on the ends, and then I only spray about 2 pumps of water into my hands and then apply it to my hair. I do this as opposed to just spraying the water directly to my hair because then it'll cause my hair to shrink, so it keeps it stretched in a way. I continue to just finger detangle, and finally I'm adding my leave-in conditioner. It's a SheaMoisture Marshmallow one, and mainly still focusing on my ends because that's what seems to be the most tangled. I honestly need to get it trimmed, that's all. This is the cream I'm using. It's Mielle Organics, and again focusing on the ends. And finally I go in to detangle. I was in a little bit of a rush, so don't mind how rough I may be. or look with my hair. Finally, I'm adding my oil to seal all of that in. I'm sealing the water. I'm sealing the leave-in conditioner and the cream in, putting that more so on my roots and actually all of my hair, to be honest. Finally, my gel. This is what's going to help hold my hair and shape it a little. I leave it on the ends just to slick it a little more, and then I work my way up to the root as well. Alright, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is not really my favorite part. I didn't actually intend on using the Shining Gem, but I realized it wasn't slicking my roots the way I wanted it to when I started, so I'm only focusing the gel on my roots as well as my ends just so it can hold it together. And this is my favorite part, actually. It's actually a shining elixir just to make my hair look shiny. Since it's going to be wrapped up in Bantu knots, I wanted to make sure it still had like its own nice little glow. So I'm focusing on the ends, and this is where it gets real. Now, in order to ensure your Bantu knot has the proper base, you're going to grab your hair from the root and start to roll it in the direction you would like it to go. The Shining Gem actually helps by laying your roots down so you don't have to necessarily pull your hair too tight. Continuing to roll, you'll notice that the shape finally starts to form and your root automatically will lock itself into place. Since my base is officially formed, I'm just going to continue to roll down the shaft of my hair and obviously detangle as I go along because sometimes it can get a little knotted once we're going. And one thing you'll actually notice that I do after I detangle my hair is I lift the Bantu knot to tuck the remaining hair at the base, and this helps keep it secure. So I actually just wanted to give you guys a better view this time from the back. Starting over, you're just going to roll your hair in the direction that you want it to go. If you look closely, you'll see that the root of your hair naturally forms this curve. Once you feel the curve, please make sure to keep the hair close to your root so that the base does not lift up. If you do this, it may mess up the shape that you're actually going for. Again, you're going to continue to detangle as you go down the shaft, roll the rest of your hair, and add gel as needed. Make sure to continue to lift the Bantu knot to tuck your ends in and secure. So guys, another trick that I actually learned is when you lift and twist the Bantu knot in the opposite direction, it also helps you to secure your ends. So as you can see, I'm lifting, but I'm also twisting it just to make sure that it's not too tight. It actually helps loosen and tighten in a way. So this is just the two little braids that I did in the front. It was Cassie's idea, but it was just something like we added. You can honestly put these wherever you want, be as creative as you want, but we were just figuring it out as we went.
You can either do that, or you can actually do it on top too if you want. Like leave it on top, like braid them and leave it on top, and maybe like pin it behind the pin, because it look nice over like that. Maybe like do it here.
No, I don't do cross first. Guys, just wanted to come and show you the final look. Kinda. I'm gonna show a better one. This one looks weird. I might fix this, but so to finish it off, I'm actually gonna take the Jane Carter, the Shine Elixir, to make it a little shiny. Just spritz it over just to give it a little, you know, extra shine.
Hold on. Oh, sorry.
Now let's try that again.
go off of. Okay, there's this one.
You want that?
Is this ugly? Okay. I don't like this one.
I don't like it either.
Well, I'm not doing this many. I literally only want probably like 10.
What
So that
about
means
the
I would do
remaining?
it here and then have 2 right here.
Let me see.
Where's the
You said like 10, so.
Wait, we gotta tell the people what we doing first.
Hold on, I just need to get the idea before I lose it.
5 going in like the thing.
5 and 5, so y'all line up with each other.
5 and 5.
You said 10. So,
I meant like 5 and 5.
oh, you don't want 10 in total. You want 20.
No, I want 5 bottom, like 5 this way. If you do it this way, I'm look stupid with a row of 5 bantu knots going.
That's not. It's not a row. It's all gonna like align. It's just.
But it's gonna line the long way. That's weird.
No, it's not. I just use that to help me.
Won't it still
Visualize.
be like 2, 2, 2,
Michaela,
2,
what do
2?
you want? Cause I don't know.
Okay, guys. So we are back with the video that we have honestly never really and truly done.